Good morning, my friends. I just woke up. It's raining outside, and so I was going to pack my coat away for the winter, from the winter. But it's a bit chilly in here. I found my shiny bra, and I tried to fix myself up. Looked like a gypsy this morning. But I'm sitting here in this cozy coat. It's so beautiful. I think it's all camel hair. I got it only for $0.25, for 25 cents. Isn't that amazing? Yeah, American money. Let me show you what it says in here. Do you see Neiman Marcus? It says men's store, but I don't really care if it says men's store because I can wear it too, so I'll be wearing it. And do you know what I will be eating for breakfast? I didn't even know what I was going to eat for breakfast this morning. I practically ran out of quick, easy food, and I ran out of eggs. Then I found my book. Let me show you. I have my Gesundheits-, Kräuter- und Vitaminbuch here, and let me show you or tell you what I found out. I can't find what I was reading about, but I have this really neat chart here. It says Heilkräuter helfen immer. Healing herbs always help. Well, what it said in my book is to eat, if you eat sauerkraut in the morning on an empty stomach, that it will help if you are diabetic. I'm a diabetic, and let me tell you, it said that if you eat it every day for a couple days, that it will clean out the poisons in your pancreas. Silly me, I didn't even know. Honestly, I don't even know what the pancreas is, and silly me, I did not even know that if the pancreas doesn't work properly, I hope I understood that correctly, that that then you become zuckerkrank, means a diabetic. So what I'll be doing, I'll be eating sauerkraut for breakfast. Can you believe that's what I'll be eating? A mild one. Yeah, mild sauerkraut, I was thinking. Is that German? Yeah, Sauerkraut is actually the same in English as it is in German. They even say Sauerkraut. So, yeah, so I won't be sour today. Thank God. And I'll be healthy. Let's get started. Breakfast. Sauerkraut for breakfast. That's a nice coat. Oh, something fell on top of our trailer. It's raining. It's been raining. It's out of focus. Let me fix it. Let me show you again. Has nice buttons. It's a nice coat. Warm, comfy. Let's open it. How convenient. I'm not even going to make it hard. Let me show you. All you do is tear it open. Well, I messed up a little bit, so there we go. Sauerkraut. Sauerkraut. You wanna bite? Okay. You like it? Yeah. More? Good. Let me try some. Once I had sauerkraut with grapes in it and wine. Soft as can be. It's like it melts in your mouth. Let me get you some ready. I think the rain stopped. I hear a few raindrops. And the frogs are singing. Do you hear that? And I just now realize it is so sweet, that sauerkraut. And I looked at the ingredients. It says white cabbage, salt, and sugar. That is not the one that I would choose in the morning if I wanna eliminate those poisons from my pancreas. Do you know what I mean? So then it says vegetable extracts, carrot, celery, leek, spices, onion flavor, natural flavors, ascorbic acid, antioxidant. So next time I will buy a real sauerkraut. Oh, not sour. This is like sweet, nearly sweet and sour. Can you even see me? You enjoying yours? I hope you enjoyed my sauerkraut eating video today. I love you. Don't be sour. Eat sauerkraut. Sauerkraut kiss. Love ya. Oops, almost blew it at you. Sorry.